For today's video, we are going to do the house tour of Janjan and Robert's house. This is here in the Dapacan Alto, Calamba, Misamis Occidental. So let's go guys. So we're going to do shoulder ride challenge and we're going to do a house tour in this house. So let's go guys. So the first lifter is Robert and Robert is gonna lift Janjan. What is your weight?
46.
46 and your weight?
57.
47?
57.
57. Okay, so let's go guys. So how many minutes can Robert carry Janjan? The next Janjan
For the
will carry me.
Ari
So
ako.
stay tuned guys. Let's go. Robert will carry Janjan.
Ari tayo sa kudara.
Let's go.
Ah.
Dili sa una.
Ha?
Ay,
Dili, Ari.
Okay, dito da. Dili,
dili
go.
ko kadawg.
Ha?
Go.
So na dili ko.
Gano mo kay
So
ko?
na dili ko kadawg so na karon nakadawg na.
Robert said that he cannot carry
Ari.
Janjan, but now he can carry.
Tarong ha?
See that? Okay. This is in
Mura,
their
lapasan og
barangay. So as you
Lapasan
can
og-
see guys, Robert
Kupras.
is really struggling to carry.
Uy.
But this is their house.
Challenge.
Okay, see the legs of Robert.
Ari.
Doing
Dito
Alright.
sa CR.
and
Dito sa CR.
Going, this is the outside of the world. Outside. Dili na sa duol sa balay. No, abot mga dala balay, house tour man.
Kunay ko no?
shit.
Okay.
Kanay nilabhan.
There's a sinampay.
May sinampay.
Sinampay in the, what you
Uy,
call
masama
that?
tong tuhod.
House, in their house. This is their backyard.
Gigi.
That is the CR.
Uy, wag na yan eh.
Ipakita na yung
Bundak
CR
ka.
ninyo.
Ha?
CR ba?
Ha?
CR.
Okay.
Pakita. The CR, they're going to do the CR tour.
Ya, mabund.
Where are you going to CR?
Where is...
Yan na pala
Gan.
to. Sudad to.
Ayaw.
Robert's legs are struggling. See that? This is the CR. Small CR there.
Pang
Okay.
probinsya lang ba? Probinsya.
Comfort room.
Small
Ya,
comfort
timo
room.
ko yun na bi.
Okay, let's
Uy, gasan
go.
nila smangka gato.
Let's see if
Dito, okay.
Robert will not fall.
Hala. Mga bundak
This
ba mga
workout is
baba?
really needs some
Tarong.
very
Okay,
good
mga...
determination, physical,
Kung ano, hindi mag-agi, diri ra.
and concentration. Alright, Robert, let's go.
Ari ra tama.
Ano ra?
Oh,
Ano? Diri ra.
oh yeah, Robert finished it. Okay.
Okay, sunod.
Alright. Next,
Kita ari.
I will carry Janjan for the first floor, and Janjan will carry me for the second floor.
Okay, laban ako kon.
Okay.
Oh. Yaga galugos na daog na.
Okay.
Hey,
Put your slippers.
Yey. Okay.
Yo.
Galugos
Okay, guys, as you can see, this is their stairs. Stairway to heaven.
Yaga.
Oh,
Mapakong. Yaga. Ano ra mo na?
and we're going to enter the gates.
Mapakong. Ay sa.
You can see, guys, this is
Seven with.
what you call this? Their living room. Okay, let's go. Come in.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to their
Ko.
living room
Okay.
where they watch some TV. As you can see, this is the sala. This is their floor. It's all what you call that, coconut lumber.
Lumber.
Okay guys, so they have some
Lumber
sofa
din.
there. There's a destroyed sofa. Ay, wag gawin yun.
Okay. Mapakong ta.
You see that, guys? There's a mirror. Okay. As you can see, they have also some aquarium there. Can have a mirror, some aparador.
Yeah.
Aparador. Okay.
Uy.
And Janjan is struggling there because I'm too very tall and I'm screaming. Okay, and they have some small ref there, guys. It's a
Ayun,
destroyed ref.
Kuwan na na,
And
Normal na yung loy.
let's see, guys. We are going to go in their kitchen.
Di tayo kuwan di patong kuwan di. Yaga
And
do to.
I'm only showing their kitchen, guys. Okay? Ito mahagbong dira.
Dat kuwan na nos na normal to nabalik narbaton dito.
Their kitchen, ha?
Kita duha.
Sud lagi ta.
Iya na po
Do
no.
this. Come on. Where? Where to step?
Dari na law ga yaga. Kuwan dito dia mo kabit gudaan na ron. Kuwan ta dia. Da. Aro gawayan na patungo kay
As you can see, guys, we are struggling here. This is their kitchen area. They only fetch water in the river, in the Sapa to drink. Okay, and this is their abuhan. And we will not be going there because, as you can see, yeah, show them. That is a little bit of destroyed.
destroyed lagi, destroyed.
So I hope, guys, there is a warm heart. This is a kind heart there that who can help them to fix their house. I'm not really begging, but I'm just only knocking at your door, at your hearts to help them. Okay, because they are a very
Nagkuhan ko.
they are very, what you call that, consistent person. Okay,
Yeah.
so we were going upstairs and Jan will carry
Tama
me. Okay, let's go.
Linog. Gayaga.
Okay, Jan will carry me.
Oh, yaw. Uy.
For the second floor, let's go, Jan.
Yati. Ako may gisudaan niyo eh.
Okay, let's go. Oh,
yaga.
Okay, go. All right, let's go. Alibi. We're going upstairs. See the legs of Jan. Show it. Oh. So this is their second floor. There's only, what you call that? Another living room. And this is their another
Aro.
sleeping room. Okay, and you can see here, there is their basketball court. And their floor here is plywood. Okay. So guys, as you can see,
Ano ba bigas?
how many? Let's go here. Go inside here. Oh. Okay.
Oh, yaw.
This is a little bit. Where are you, the cameraman?
Yati.
This is a little bit area, very wide area here. So, guys, if you have a kind heart to help them in the situation, you can send to our PayPal, or you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video, and don't forget to comment and share for more videos like this, okay, so that I can help them and we can help you to achieve our live and carry goals. So guys, maybe Jan can do some squats. How many squats can you do right now?
Squat di ko daw.
What? Let's go. Whoa! Oh, one squat. Let's go. How many? Oh, two. Okay, Tarabi? Three.
Tinanawig.
Only three, guys. Okay.
Wait.
So let's go. Alright, guys. So I'm going to give them their share for the vlog. Okay, Robert, 1,000. Jan for 1,000. Okay, what you can say?
I'm very happy
Thank
because
you,
1,000
and
is
thank you for the sponsorship.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Center Club Coaching.
Merry Christmas.
Please subscribe, guys, for more videos like this. So,
Thank you.
goodbye.